12 mistakes you should never make when taking glutamine. I'll give you a heads up that number 1 is the worst mistake and one you might be making. Stay tuned until the end to find out what it is. Glutamine is one of the most remarkable supplements known to many American athletes and to many of you who watch our channel, primarily for its muscle recovery capabilities and immune-boosting power. However, if you don't use it correctly, you might not get the benefits you expect and could even harm your health. In this video, we'll discuss 12 common mistakes you should never make when taking glutamine and how you can avoid them to truly enjoy all its amazing benefits. Number 12. Overdosing. Taking excessive doses of glutamine might seem like a quick way to get faster results, but the reality is quite different and can lead to issues such as gastrointestinal disturbances, which can cause abdominal discomfort, gas, diarrhea, or constipation due to overuse of the supplement. Additionally, high doses of glutamine can overload the kidneys, leading to complications in people who already have a predisposition to kidney problems. The daily recommendation is around 20. 30 grams, as doses higher than this can result in adverse effects. It's important to remember that excessive doses of any supplement or vitamin don't make the effects appear more quickly, especially in the case of glutamine. Scientific studies suggest that the body may not be able to process large amounts of glutamine at once, which can overload the digestive system and lead to issues such as bloating and cramps. Additionally, excess glutamine can be converted into ammonia in the liver, a toxic substance at high concentrations, which can compromise overall health. Always consult your nutritionist before starting this supplement in your diet and adhere to the recommended doses. Number 11. Not checking glutamine quality. Choosing a product based on quality is crucial, especially when we're talking about a supplement that can impact your health, like glutamine. Therefore, always choose products that ensure safety and effectiveness. Low-quality products pose a risk when consumed, as they may contain impurities, underdosed active ingredients, or even dangerous contaminants like heavy metals. We always recommend researching before purchasing the product and checking the ingredients and composition. Research shows that the source of glutamine can influence its purity and bioavailability. Glutamine obtained from reliable sources and with quality certifications ensures that you are consuming an effective and safe product without putting your health at risk. Number 10. Not drinking enough water. Staying well hydrated is essential when taking glutamine, as proper hydration aids in the absorption of the supplement and also protects against side effects such as constipation and dehydration, which can occur during glutamine metabolism. Therefore, always drink plenty of water when using this supplement, especially on hot days, to stay hydrated. Several studies show that water plays a crucial role in the digestion and absorption of nutrients, including amino acids like glutamine, which can help achieve faster results. Additionally, proper hydration helps regulate electrolyte balance and supports kidney function, which is essential for processing glutamine in your body. Therefore, make sure you are always hydrated to improve the results with glutamine. Number 9. Using only glutamine. This is a very common mistake I hear from you here on the channel, as many of you ask if you should use glutamine along with other supplements. The answer is yes, you should, and I'll explain why. Glutamine is just one of several essential nutrients that the body needs to function properly throughout the day. While many may think that glutamine alone can solve all issues related to muscle recovery or gut health, the truth is that a balanced diet and the use of other supplements, such as creatine, whey protein, and multivitamins, are often essential, especially if you are an athlete or engage in intense workouts at the gym. Exclusive use of glutamine can lead to nutritional deficiencies as the body requires a wide range of nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, to function properly. Glutamine should be seen as a complement to your diet. the finishing touch to help you achieve the body and health you desire. Number 8. Taking glutamine at the wrong time. This is a common mistake among many of you, so always consider the timing when using glutamine. Taking glutamine at inappropriate times, such as before bed, can reduce its effectiveness and disrupt your sleep, especially if you suffer from insomnia or sleep-related issues. Many studies show that glutamine is most effective when taken immediately after a workout, as this is the ideal time when your body is most receptive to recovery. A 2015 study, which I will reference at the end of this video for you to check after watching, showed that taking glutamine before bed is not recommended for everyone. Many people who took the supplement before bed had trouble falling asleep, as glutamine interfered with their sleep cycle due to its metabolic impact. Therefore, I recommend taking glutamine after workouts and avoiding taking it close to bedtime. Number 7. Mixing glutamine with acidic drinks. This is a common question among many of you, so it's important to note that mixing glutamine with acidic drinks can degrade the supplement and reduce its effectiveness. To get the most benefits from glutamine, the best recommendation is to mix it with water. This ensures faster and more effective absorption by your body. A study with men who use glutamine daily observed that those who mixed the supplement with acidic drinks absorbed only about 90% of the product due to degradation and reduced absorption by the body. Those who mixed glutamine with water, on the other hand, showed about 99% absorption, resulting in better workout performance and muscle recovery. Number 6. Taking glutamine without monitoring your body's response. If you're making this mistake, it's important to correct it now. Without monitoring the results and effects of glutamine on your body, you will be like a ship adrift, unsure if you're getting the maximum benefit from the supplement or if it's working correctly. Never start glutamine supplementation without observing how your body responds and consulting a nutritionist to determine the appropriate dosage for you, as the response to glutamine can vary from person to person. Some may experience side effects, such as gastrointestinal discomfort, muscle dehydration, and flank pain. Therefore, starting with a smaller dose and monitoring your body's response is crucial to adjust the dosage as needed and ensure it's appropriate for you. Oh, no worry. Number 5. Not storing glutamine properly. Did you know that if you don't store your supplement properly or keep the container tightly sealed, it can compromise its effectiveness? Many of you are aware of this, but still overlook this common mistake. Therefore, always store glutamine and your supplements in a cool, dry place. Studies show that exposure to heat and light can degrade the supplement, impairing its effectiveness. Therefore, it's essential to ensure that the product is in a tightly sealed container and stored in an appropriate location. This will ensure the correct use of glutamine and maximize its benefits. Number 4. Ignoring the impact of age on effectiveness. Ignoring how age can affect the effectiveness of glutamine can be a major mistake and hinder your results as well as your health. As you age, it's important to consider this factor, especially if you're over 40. The body's ability to absorb and utilize glutamine can change with age. Studies conducted with men over 40 show that it's necessary to adjust doses with advancing age. In other words, younger men may need smaller doses to achieve results similar to older men, who may need higher doses. Always remember to consult your nutritionist before making any changes to the dosage that's right for you. Before we continue, please leave a like and a comment on the video. This will greatly help our channel bring more videos like this to you. Number 3. Using glutamine for irritable bowel syndrome without medical guidance. Like the treatment errors mentioned so far, this is one of the most serious and can have more significant consequences, so it's important to pay close attention. While glutamine has been studied for its potential to help with intestinal conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome, it has been observed that, in some people, Glutamine can worsen symptoms rather than relieve them, especially without proper medical guidance. These studies indicate that while glutamine can strengthen the intestinal barrier and reduce permeability in some cases, it can also increase the production of certain intestinal neurotransmitters, which can exacerbate symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome in susceptible individuals. If you have this condition, consider consulting your doctor and nutritionist before using glutamine to determine the appropriate dose and avoid more serious issues. Number 2. Taking glutamine if you have kidney or liver problems. Many studies show that in cases of people with kidney problems, such as renal insufficiency, glutamine supplementation can increase blood ammonia levels. This happens because the kidneys are less efficient at filtering this substance, which can lead to serious health issues. Additionally, the liver and kidneys, which are responsible for metabolizing glutamine, may not function effectively in people with diseases related to these organs. If you have a history of liver or kidney problems, be very careful when using glutamine. Inappropriate use and without medical guidance can lead to serious complications. It is essential to consult a healthcare professional before starting supplementation to ensure that you are doing it safely. Number 1. Expecting immediate results. Like other supplements we've discussed on this channel, glutamine doesn't provide immediate visible results. That is, it will take time for you to feel the effects of this supplement on your body. Its action, especially in terms of muscle recovery and immune support, can take days or even weeks to become significantly noticeable. In the tests I conducted with glutamine, it took about 12 days to see visible results, such as increased strength and muscle recovery in workouts. And you, how long did it take for you to see results from using glutamine? Leave your comment on the video. I will read and respond to all of them. Remember that you are building a healthy and strong body, and glutamine is an excellent ally in this journey. Continue using it consistently. It may take some time, but you will see significant results in your body and workouts. Therefore, be patient. Maintain a regular supplementation routine and monitor the results. Celebrate every gram of muscle mass you gain, the result of hard work and training. That's all for today. I'll leave another video here for you to watch. Click on the video appearing on your screen and see you there. Thank you for watching.